Where there is silence, something must have died. Silence is supposed to be comforting, a sign that everything is okay, that nothing is chasing you. But if you sit in it long enough, you start to hear things that shouldn't be there. Not sounds exactly, just pressure, memory, the sense that you're not as alone as you think. Silence isn't peace, it's the moment before something breaks. In horror films, the loudest scream never scares you. It's the quiet right before. The stillness, the anticipation, that's when your body tightens. We're wired to fear the absence of sound.
Because sound means life, breathing, movement, something to anchor you to reality. Take that away, and everything starts to unravel.
Quietest place on Earth isn't peaceful. It's a room in Minnesota, an anechoic chamber so silent you can hear your blood moving. People go in thinking they'll feel calm. They leave in under 30 minutes, dizzy, hallucinating, because the brain hates silence. It starts making things up.
An anechoic chamber is a standardized test facility. And it's a facility where, by definition, it's close to 100% sound absorbent. We filed to have the quietest acoustic lab in the world. And Guinness had never had a negative decibel claim, and so they said, we'd rather just call it the quietest place on Earth. And we said, that's fine. The first thing I noticed is the silence in the chamber. And the second thing I noticed is that my eyes seemed to process differently. When you become disoriented, you always look for secondary senses. And so when you walk into an anechoic chamber, your anchor is your vision because the sound doesn't make sense to you. And over a period of time, it would generate hallucinations in most people if they have the patience and the willingness to stay there at all.
Horror games have known this for years. In Dead Space, the vacuum of space is where the monsters thrive. You can't hear your enemies, only feel them closing in. Inside starts in near total silence. The world is soft, quiet, but your fear is sharp. Every step echoes too loud. Every breath feels borrowed.
As you know, the Ishimura is able to set its gravity locally. Your grav boost will kick in when you enter a zero-G area.
But silence isn't just a physical experience, it's emotional. There's a kind of silence that grows inside you. Not peace, not solitude, but a hollowing. It's the sound of being left behind, of waiting for someone who never calls back, of a room where no one asks where you've been. We think of silence as a void, but what if it's a presence? What if silence is the thing that lives between moments, in the gaps between words, waiting? We fill the world with sound to keep it away, but every now and then, it finds a way back in.